Okay, so now we have done the warm-up, let's have a look at our learning intention and the things that we need to remember. So, our learning intention is, can I recognise different coins and notes? So we can find different totals of money and know what change to give if we're maybe buying different things. So we need to look at the value of the coin or note, and we need to think about, because we're looking at English money, we need to think about what's sort of similar to what English money is similar to in Qatar. So when we look at pennies or pence, they're sort of the same as dirham. And then when we look at English pounds, that's sort of similar to reals.